and I guess come up with new ways of figuring stuff out, and one way in particular that I think is particularly helpful for the people on Earth who have gifts of 1 million sperm every day is the technique of, because it does get you in trouble. I mean, come on, yeah, it gets you in trouble. It's because one person, there's, when we all have sort of, I guess, different sides of our personalities, but and women sort of seem to kind of go through this slower flow of like, this, and then it's like, make me pregnant, fucking make me pregnant, fuck off, get away from me now. It's like, is this, and then it's like, man, is this, whereas with men it's kind of more like this, it's like, build up of sperm, build up of sperm, and so, trying to meet at the same time, when everything's all good and fine, everything is sometimes confusing. And so that's why there's so many songs about love, hate, bitterness, passion, possessiveness, jealousy, fuck you, and all that. And that's why you were probably at this concert, because somebody hurt you one day and it's like, damn, because his sperm was off with your, levels of this, and something happened and it didn't quite meet, and some feelings got hurt. I love that Damien Rice song on this. So it's there's this technique which is really good for just keeping you out of trouble, lads. Which is, if ever you're sitting there, if you have the tendency where you just be getting in trouble, if you have that tendency where you just get things wrong, if you're sitting with somebody that you think you like, and you think you really like, and you think you really, really, really like, and you think you really want to be with, just to be sure, pop off to the toilet for a little minute, say goodbye to some of your gentlemen, come back, and if you still want to sit beside them and you still want to be close with them, then you've got something really special. It's just a song about being in a situation where both situations were going on. I was trying to shake somebody off and somebody else was trying to shake me off, and it was just like, okay, all losing. Don't hold yourself like that, 'cause you hurt your knees. Well, I kissed your mouth and back, that's all I need. Well, don't build your world around volcanoes melt you down. What I am to you is not me. What I am to you, you do not need. What I am to you is not what you mean to me. You give me miles and miles of mountains, and I ask for a sea. But don't throw yourself like that in front of me. I kissed your mouth and back. Is that all you need? But don't drag my love around. Volcanoes melt me down. What I am to you is not real. What I am to you, you do too young. She's still 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 too young. She's too young. Down. What I know to do. Volcano.